Hey there, crypto fans! Today we're taking a tasty trip back to 2010 for a story that's both delicious and historic. The legendary Bitcoin pizza story. Now picture this, it's May 22nd, 2010, and Bitcoin is still the new kid on the block, valued at about, wait for it, $0.0025. That's right, you could buy a whole pizza for just a handful of Bitcoin. But what did our hero, Laszlo Hanyecz, decide to do? He wanted to be the first person ever to buy a pizza with Bitcoin. Laszlo made a bold move. He offered 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Yes, you heard me correctly, 10,000. Imagine handing over 10,000 coins for a couple of cheesy pies. He posted his request on a Bitcoin forum, and the crypto community went wild. People were thinking, this guy must really love pizza. Fast forward a few days and guess what? Laszlo got his pizza. A couple of brave souls took him up on the offer and delivered 2 piping hot pizzas right to his door. And just like that, Bitcoin became the official currency of pizza. Now here's where it gets interesting. Fast forward to today and those 10,000 Bitcoins would be worth millions. Like, enough to buy a small island. So, Laszlo's 2 pizzas? They turned out to be the most expensive pizzas in history. Talk about a slice of humble pie. But here's the kicker. May 22nd is now celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day, a day where crypto enthusiasts remember the humble beginnings of Bitcoin and share their own pizza stories. So if you ever find yourself enjoying a slice, just remember, every bite is a nod to crypto history. And there you have it, folks, the Bitcoin pizza story. From 10,000 coins to millions, it's a reminder that sometimes, even in the wild world of cryptocurrency, all you need is a little faith and a good pizza delivery guy. Join us and reach your next crypto level.